Mindfulness of breathing, anapanasati. Begin with a comfortable posture. Begin the meditation by reflecting on your aspiration. Do you have a simple aspiration to achieve happiness and peace of mind? Do you have the medium aspiration to achieve complete freedom from suffering? And do you have the highest aspiration to achieve freedom from suffering for the benefit of all living beings? When you're ready, bring the mind inwards and rest your awareness on the breath. More specifically, begin to experience the sensations of the breath at the nostrils. As you inhale, the cool air coming in. As you exhale, the warm air passing out. Begin to rest the mind on one point. Let the mind settle and come to rest. With each inhalation, let the awareness become more subtle, more clear, and more refined. Begin to deepen the breath process, allowing the breath to enter into the diaphragm. Deepening the breath, slowing it down. Release any tension on the out-breath. On the in-breath, imagine taking in revitalizing, rejuvenating breath energy, calming you down, making you clear and present-centered. Once you've noticed you've been distracted, bring the awareness back without delay. If you're extremely restless and the mind is wandering, we can begin counting, using the numbers to further tether the mind to the breath. Count on each inhalation from 1 to 10. Begin on your next inhalation. If you get distracted, begin again with an attitude of discipline and care. Here, with mindfulness on the breath, create a present-centered awareness, keeping the mind open, clear, and stable in the now.